Did you know a single military campaign may have erased centuries of human knowledge that we never got back? In 1258, Hulagu Khan's Mongol army swept into Baghdad. They killed the caliph. They burned the city. But what happened next was quieter and far more permanent. Baghdad was home to the House of Wisdom. For 500 years, scholars had gathered there every book they could find: Greek medicine, Persian astronomy, Arabic mathematics, texts that existed nowhere else on Earth. The Mongols threw them into the Tigris River, all of them. Contemporary accounts say the water ran black with ink for days. Nobody knows exactly what was lost. That's the point. We only know what survived. Europe spent the next 3 centuries independently rediscovering ideas that were already sitting in that library. Medical treatments, astronomical calculations, mathematical systems, gone before anyone thought to make a copy. The soldiers who threw those books into the river had no idea what they were holding. That indifference cost the world more than the war ever did.